Hi, welcome to the Access It installation and update video. In the first half, we will focus on the installation to a computer system with an existing database. The default version of SQL Express with the latest installation is 2017. If you don't have SSMS already installed, Access It will install it with the SQL installation. You will need to initiate the installation of Access It. Once initiated, the installation screen will appear once the installation has loaded. Select the standalone/server installation option. Next, select the I wish to use a remote custom SQL server or SQL server. Then, install AccessIt Universal.net. Click OK. A new window will appear. Click Next, accept the terms and conditions, and then click Next. Confirm the installation location. The default is the C drive. Click Next, then Install. The installation will confirm the presence of an existing SQL database and initiate the Access It instance. Select Finish. The installation will then complete and a new screen will appear. Click Exit. Next, we will go over the system upgrade. When updating the system, you will want to select the standalone server installation again. Click Install Access It. Click OK. Access It will now connect to the existing database and instance. Please ensure the profile being used has access to the database through Windows authentication. While the procedures for installing Access It to an existing database and updating are essentially the same, you will only have the option to install Access It if the program detects an older installation on the system. Otherwise, it will only provide the options to uninstall Access It or repair the existing installation if the same version is detected. Thank you for watching.